Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a Louis Ferre wig called Paulina, and the color on Paulina is one that drives me nuts, and I wanted to show it to you firsthand. It's T27 33B, also known as dark shade blonde. So I want to talk about the color real quick, because like I said, it drives me nuts. Just take a look at this color. Take a look at it for a second. Does anything about this color look blonde to you? Because it doesn't look blonde to me. And in fact, the color code doesn't even look particularly blonde to me. T27, this has a light sort of caramel brown tip, and then the 33B, which is on top. 33, even though it's kind of muddy in this particular color because it's blended with the caramel brown, is actually a dark auburn. So this has a blended dark auburn and caramel brown top and a caramel brown tip. So where's the blonde? I hate it when manufacturers do this stuff because, you know, like for me, it makes my life difficult because then I'm trying to like explain that to people via email, which is rough. You know, it's much easier to just kind of take a video of it and then show you what I mean. Because yeah, manufacturers do screwy stuff like this sometimes. For real, I mean, check it out. And it makes your life more difficult because then you're like, yeah, dark shade blonde, that sounds great. And then you order it and you're like, whoa, look at all the red, look at all the caramel, where's the blonde? You know, my thoughts exactly on that one. It is a tipped color, and it's a really pretty tipped color. It's a unique tipped color in that it's, you know, kind of a brown. You know, it's a very pretty, subtle tipped effect. It isn't super red because that caramel brown really does sort of minimize all of the auburn up here at the top. So it's a very subtle, very pretty effect, but definitely not blonde at all. So that's something that I want to get out of the way right off the bat, so that way there's no confusion about this color, and that's why I wanted to review this wig in this color. So this particular wig, this Paulina, is a lot like their Pammy wig, except Pammy is a little longer and Pammy has a monofilament top. Paulina is permateased. You can see that right there, all that permatease. Lots of permatease on this one. This is a 6.2 ounce wig. You're getting a lot of hair, so that makes sense. The front is 4.5 inches. It does have a bang. It's a little bit long for me though, which is why I have it swept off to the side. The crown down is 15.5 inches, which is really long. That's the back layer there. And the nape is 17.5. So let me show you what Paulina looks like all the way around. A lot of hair on this one. It's very straight and it feels really nice. I'm going to go ahead and take this one off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. This is an open cap on top with a really soft fuzzy felt hairline. Closed lace on the ear tabs, open sides, open back. We also have a nape that is not extended, but it does have room for the Velcro adjusters in the back. This is not a particularly stretchy wig. If you need a little bit more stretch, the Pammy is actually a little bit more forgiving in that regard, believe it or not. And then here's that color again. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on for you. You'll want to make sure you carry a wide tooth comb with you whenever you have a wig that's this long or this straight. And this happens to be both, so you definitely want one. And there you have it. This is the Paulina by Louis Ferre in the color T27/33B. Also, I don't know why they call it dark shade blonde, but it's called dark shade blonde. So hopefully I have helped steer people who want a color like this towards it and people who don't want a color like this away from it, because I'm here to help you. So I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, CysterWigs, with a C. If you like what I do here, please be sure to check out my website. It's just CysterWigs.com. And until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.